Now we're going to go over the single O-ring seal on a Universal 3 PD pump. First, you're going to take your seal housing O-ring, the silicone-based lubricant, apply to the sealing surface and the O-ring. Once the O-ring is lubricated, install into a position. Take your seal housing, align with the bolt holes. Tighten the bolts using your 3/16 Allen wrench. Hand tight. On the inside of your seal housing, use your body O-ring. Install in place, lubricate it. Universal 3 has a front-loading single O-ring sleeve. Apply lubricant around the outside. Install through your body O-ring. Final O-ring is from your single O-ring sleeve to the backside of your rotor. Lubricate, install on your sleeve. That concludes the single O-ring seal on a Universal 3 PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.